Hey everybody, it's Coach Corey, and I am here today with a MLS video on reverse prospecting. So, this is more for newer agents and agents who don't really use the MLS tools very often, but maybe would like a way to spread the word about their listings. So, I'm going to show you one awesome way that the MLS allows you to do that. And I get a lot of questions from people on my team and other agents as well, like, Corey, what is reverse prospecting? What are you talking about? So I decided, hey, why don't I just do a quick video and show you guys what it is to reverse prospect? And yeah, let me know what you guys think about it in the comments, and if you've ever done this, or if you knew about it. So we are on the MLS, so you're going to log into your MLS. And then once you do that, you're going to go into your matrix. Okay, and then after that, you're going to click on your listings. Once you're there, select the listing that you want to reverse prospect for. And reverse prospecting, everyone, is a list or a contact information of realtors who are not only in your brokerage, but are a part of different brokerages. So there's a bunch of realtors out there, right? You're not the only one. Your team, your brokerage is not the only one. And so you have listings that other realtors want to know about because they have buyers looking for your listing. And so the MLS pretty much makes a list of every single realtor out there who has potential buyers for your listing. And so it's pretty much a phone book of realtors that are looking for your listing. So let's click on the listing that you want to reverse prospect for. And then once you do that, it's going to bring you to the listing page. Once you're at the listing page, you're going to go down to the bottom and you're going to see this gray bar. And you've got a few options. You can edit, manage photos, manage supplements, share this as a link, reverse prospect. We're going to click right there. And once you get there, you have a list of different agents and brokerages, contact information. Let's read that little paragraph right there. It might help us out a little bit. It says, these agents each have a contact who's received this listing. Click the agent name to email them about your listing. They can identify the contact via the reference number by looking it up on their contacts page. Count is the total number of listings each contact has been sent. So we have the address here, we have the agent name, we have the reference number, we have the count, the date sent. This is a new listing, and then the email, office, and phone number. So what do we do with this information? Well, just like you do FSBO calls, you're going to call these realtors. These are your fellow realtors. They're out there in the trenches just like you are. And you're going to call them up and say, hey, William, my name is Corey Johnson. I'm calling you. I'm reverse prospecting and your name is on my list. I have a beautiful remodeled 3-bedroom, 1-bath house. And I'm hoping that you have a buyer for me. What do you say? And he says, oh, that's great. I have a buyer. What is the price range? What is the size, square footage, how many bedrooms, how many baths? And you're going to tell them. And if they have a buyer looking for that criteria, they'll say, hey, I'll set it up with showing time and let you know what they think. Simple, easy, straightforward, right? And this tool has been here under your nose the whole time. So guys, this was supposed to be a quick, short video. I hope you guys found this helpful. The other tool that you can use as well is email. And the email is also a quick thing you can do is click right here on their name. And boom, you're brought to an email page and you can say the same thing. Hey, William, I'm reaching out to see if you have any buyers that's interested in my listing criteria. I look forward to working with you. Have an awesome week. Okay? And then you're going to hit send, and then it'll send this out and it will attach the listing to your email for you. Okay, so these are really great tools, you guys, that the MLS has for you. And this is a free way to get your listings out there and in the laps of your fellow realtors who are looking for homes for their buyers, just like you do. And wouldn't it be great if someone just called you and was like, hey, I have the perfect listing for your buyer. You've been looking for months and I have it. Don't you just want that to happen? So anyway, that's what you're doing for your buyers, and that's what you're doing for your fellow realtor mates. And